Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be create a portrait using mechanical pencil and we'll use graphite pencil as well for more darker values. So let's start. There are many ways you can draw a face. Loomies, lines, whatever you want, but today we gonna use kind of Loomies method. So I'll draw freehand just to focus on learning the skill. Drawing freehand is necessary to grow your skill. So we started with the circle and we are just finding out where my vertical lines would be the center point. After getting the center point, I'll draw a horizontal line in the center of the circle. That's actually my eyebrow line. And then we just follow the Loomis method. We are just dividing this nose line, bottom of the circle, and then the same area from eyebrow to nose. We are just drawing one more horizontal line below that nose line. So that should be our chin. So that's the Loomis law. The top of the circle is hairline, and then eyebrow line, and then nose line, and then chin line. After all the lines, we are just now placing our features of the faces, like eyebrow we placed, now nose, eyes, chin. We are just trying to simplify our drawing. That's the more important thing when we start any face, any drawing, just to simplify. How much you can simplify is the best way to start the drawing and get the proportion right. I'm not focusing to match exactly the same as reference. I'm just observing my reference better proportion wise and trying to execute freehand. For matching exact proportion, artists use grid method, and it's okay to use grid method for a certain extent, because using grid method regularly just stop your growth. Usually I finish the outline basic structure of the face and then I move inside it and finish it part by part. And Loomis method also helps us to fit everything in its place. So here for the line art I am using mechanical pencil. You can use any pencil. I am using mechanical with HB lead. And for the shading and hatching I'll use 2B lead. You can use beyond that 4B, 6B. It depends on the requirement. So I'm using 2B lead in this mechanical pencil for more details, hatching, shading. For quick portrait drawing I use less tonal values like this I'm doing here. I'll use less shades like HB, 2B and sometimes 4B, 6B. That's all. For the hairs, I am using normal 2B pencil to get the thick and thin lines and to cover the area more quickly. Pencil also holds more pressure. If you apply same pressure to the mechanical pencil, which I was using 0.5 mm, the lid breaks easily. So my portrait drawing is ready. Now I'm just adding more darker values just to make it little more presentable. I'm using 6B pencil here. This is my drawing. This kind of method you guys can use to learn and observe the portrait. Most of the artists do these kind of exercises. This thing definitely improve your drawing for sure. I'm trying one more thing here. I never did this before on a pencil portrait. I'm doing ink wash using drawing ink, of course, just to make it more interesting. Let's see how it's gonna be look like. So this is the output after the ink wash. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this complete drawing process. Let me know in the comment what you like to see next. See you in the next video. Keep creating.